bully for turtle.
One,
One crocodile, eh?
Yeah, no, you may show me over there. You never see him?
I never him no one gone under the water.
No. Where? What do you want to show me in the water?
Him gone underneath it, so I'm see him
When you
again.
see crocodile, you know, that's what I see, you know?
Bully for turtle.
When you say, oh, see the crocodile, and me look at the water, I never see it. Them look straight across the water, but then see that one there. That's a breeze, yo. The American crocodile inside.
Oh, what? Oh my god, this is so scary. Look at this.
I didn't see him.
Guys, you now get the full view of that big old monster something here. Oh my god. These are the scarlet macaw. What? Arrow macaw. What did I say? Me I try. Take the one bird.
You better that me, I tell you.
Guys, you see how they make them phone and something you know, with the autofocus and focus and this and that. Cha! Look at him, hi!
Wagwan.
Hey birdie!
Wagwan, sister.
Yeah, you did that.
Oh, snake roaster.
Ew, you're so nasty.
I saw you greet people, brother. I saw you greet people. I know it was nervous. Nervous.
Oh my god, these are so big. They're looking for more today, and I'm going to back me up. Guys, I'm kind of block off the area here so from the turtle limb. So, this is what this is for. Oh, Junior! Here's the elephant!
Where is he?
No, turn around, turn him back.
You see what? You see how flashy?
So yes guys,
We have a lunch break.
take a our little snack. You see me?
You don't know outside food. That doesn't make sense.
Can come right which way would they? They have one little place named Hungry Hut. So you can buy, as I'm saying, so snow cone, $100, popcorn, $150, and kiss for $50 and $100. I bought them out, so. Hope you enjoy this so far. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them.
Well, I was not by cola, guys, birthday.
No, 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 no. Friend type of parrot them here. And them here, me hear the man just as a repeat. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh, where?
So Ratapata is open?
Look, so, it's a rat race.
So them said zebra, they are prison people. See me? Oh God. Can't go in a restroom. Can't soldier on, you know. Every minute you stop. Wow, wee. Can't carry up on no long journey, you know. She tell me about she want to go Hollywood. But she want to go on hiking and beer things. I know that will work out.
Hey, so just in case you never know what marksman look like, so you know. Yes, Mr. Something open up. I don't know how I'm going to try to go quick.
Them say the boy place.
Oh.
So I said, I'm never lucky enough to see one yet.
Hi, dear.
Suppose something down say, hello, sweetheart.
Jesus Christ. One leg in the pan, you know. Both see. War and both see. You know tell them, man?
Wow. Pea fowl.
That means I say Indian pea fowl. You know name?
White one. Good. White one pretty.
From India. Turkey them there. Oh, I see him something. It's about turkey. Oh, he might look man or she look woman. And normally the male peacock them. You hear the sound? That makes sound like when tree.
Maybe them they know. Zebra lie down and tired.
So, we look on the lions them now.
Them can't no one more. I'm not sing today.
Get tired.
I don't want to pitch up a frame today, boy.
No stage show.
Yeah.
So, we approach the lion. Guys, I gave a little story to my little sister when she was about 3 years old or so. Right? We carry her come out Oak Gardens. Oak Garden, out there they stay the same way we stay now. And if, yeah, they just are developed. But where the cages of the lion them did there, I see them where it did stay. And you know what I'm saying? I carry my little sister over here, baby, you know. And when she go back out to my mother, you know, say, look at the time my mother say, me make the lion bite her finger. Anybody asks her up until now, she tell them, I make the lion bite her finger. Oh, me, I'm gonna make the lion bite her finger this way. Me can't even reach the lion cage. Fit me make the lion bite her finger.
Well, lie.
If she lie. So we reach a lion section, you know. I look for Nala and Simba. African lion. See lion is over there, so you can see her. See her there? So Simba here, you know. Big house sitting there, man. Him turn away. What him drink? Hello. My pay to come see you. Let me see you. What do you know for them animal ring?
Yeah.
Eh?
You can just imagine how in my ear, you actually sound rough. That you say down there, but you know the actual sound in my ear.
So I'm right. See me as I move?
You like Misty?
Yeah. Misty, hear me. Lion! Right. Look at them big old thing, eh? See them thing in there wild to bunky shots and I know if you run, or if you just drop dead.
I'm going to feel like that. You're going to feel like that. Drop dead.
People have them as pet. Yo.
Look like you know.
Junior.
Maybe them care food country there.
Maybe.
Every time you hear that.
You know it's your food time.
Food time.
Guys, the lion head look like it's as big as me. Hey! Hello. 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 They can't catch it. Go ahead. Try catch it for catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. You catch it. You catch it. Are you get hearing me? So this is a chestnut fronted macaw. Did you know? Right here. They might eat some miniature horses. Ba 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 ba.
Gobble, gobble.
Those are swans.
Or geese. What's the name? Swan?
No, 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 mama. Now look on the paper.
Yes, look, look, look. At least they never did that. Yeah. Different something that man. No, different.
Oh, this one emu. Emu.
Drum and also yeah. That word there.
What? Dromios Novi Hollandi Chunglang chain. So why them have to make the jackass ass look like this? The donkey feels look like this.
So the ostrich different than this?
Yeah, so the ostrich have like, I guess, me and them.
Or maybe them some kind of descendant of the ostrich or something. No. This?
Yeah, that's the emu. That's the emu. I want the emu.
So them are ostrich, them big on it.
This is an emu.
That's an ostrich?
This is an ostrich. So you put them long and them big?
Take big stride for you, bird. One of them run so fast, but him was powerful.
No, Junior just owe him a walk alone and see the power in him foot. But we pick out down the feather.
Fight.
Silver pheasants. I'm gonna just say this over this one. Yes, this thing over there.
Look like a...
This is what Junior wants.
As a pet.
I don't know what Junior wants. I don't know if I can see him. See him, the guys? I want another this. I'm gonna see that one. Maybe him there somewhere. Put your finger in there and see if him come.
Oh God, I don't really want to see him that bad.
Jamaican iguanas.
Yeah, breeds hard. Calm down, no? You don't like nobody in your space. The uniform look all low. You have to go and press, brother. Think I'm a girl, Yang.
And them want to spit by you?
I have no idea. I don't think so. I hope not.
Run, Mr. Me, I run in and I see him turn him head like him look like him a go hawk up a while ago. So guys, we're here at the Dromedary Camels. The Camelios Dromedarios. I'm about to go ride my camel. Guys, they're so huge, they're big. 4 of them. I'm assuming 2 males, 2 females. 5 of them, there's 5 of them. They're so huge. I don't know. They're huge. Gotta do something. Close the eyes. Close the eyes. Yeah. Come on, close the eye. Close the eye. Me not hurt you. Close the eye with you. You trust me? Come. Close the eyes. Close your eyes. Oh my God. Close your eyes. Take your time and walk. I have to go down. Close your eyes. Take a little time. Take your time. Take your time. Stop. Step over. Alright. Take a little time. Turn around. Take a little time. Close your eyes, you know. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Turn your back. You can't touch him. Right, close your eyes. Chop! Why are you so wicked? Why you turn around and see this?
You're frightened me, brother. You shouldn't say nothing. If you can't touch him, you shouldn't say nothing. Because when I me, I can bomb that. Why you did that kill me?
Guys, them have like a little water type pond thing over there, so you know, open to the public yet. So we can't go over there. So I'm hoping I can't see it. Guys, I like how the little area set up over there, so like a little kiddie zone. Because they have like swing song and so over there, hippo. They have hippo? So one a picture of a hippo.
No.
A dinosaur over there, so one long neck dinosaur there. One old, one young. I'm sure.
Barn old.
Monkey. Light in our room can really get a proper view. You can't find it.
Lion, zebra.
Very nice. Your birthday, the $1,500. And we still not see everything as yet. Still have more things to see. See Nala, we see Simba. We see Rafiki. We feel like a adventurer.
Crikey, mate.
It's so stupid.
We're in
the down under.
We're down under.
Down on the way.
Australia.
Crikey.
Yo, me have accent lacking a youth. Ramp with my career now.
Bombrook School. Guys, one thing we know do. I want a bicycle next time come up here.
Alright, so good.
No, I'm catching my yarn, bro. Is it big man?
Here.
Oh. Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight, this is where we are. Bombard! At least me run from a lion, you run from a bird a while ago. Give me on. A bird walk. Jesus Christ. Some big old bird. What are these? Peacocks. Bunky just use the bathroom, you know? Go pee make them run me down. Red tail hawk.
Big.
Chicken hawk.
Of course, I see a chicken that big, so.
Look for them foot. Swim all the way out there and put them big. There are 3 peacocks around there. Last time I came to the zoo, peacock run me down. I not go near them. Think I joke, I not go near them. So them have the bird in a cage,
I don't know why.
Maybe them small.
Or female.
Or something.
Something.
But I must
Maybe
have
you're violent, yeah, man.
Hey, it's me and Juna here.
All the bird are laughing.
Look if I know. Tell us how I love birds.
Them bird, them parrot. Them a local bird. Particular animal we would have walked past on the road and see.
I hear them.
And here, you're kind of
Confused now. Yeah, man, you have to sit with me. Let me hear. Where's the go so again? Cow? You use a cow every day? True.
Yeah, man,
I have 2 wild cow. 3 wild cow around my high 95. One brown one black and white one. And one next one. Remember the other color, which one?
Yeah, man, so.
So you have one sign on the gate. We say, please enter. So you can walk over there. There's some rules, some baby rules. Then we can go somewhere we can get a better shot. Can't really.
So me tell us you're with Australia.
Oh my, look at them.
You're in Australia, man. The 15 bills. Money well spent.
There's a female. I see them something here in a movie are kicking on normal. I didn't feel. You see them tail them look powerful though. Them can stand up on them tail alone, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, them can stand up on them tail. When them all kick you, them tail them stand up on.
What?
And go up and kick you. But them tail them stand up on, because remember say them foot, the back foot them use and kick.
Yes, I'm going to look at that. Me don't believe that.
Me hear cow look a while and I know I want to tell you about kangaroo.
So, you don't know about the common cow and you tell me about kangaroo.
I never remember what made that mer sound at the moment.
Easy.
Look it up. Guys, but no, it's a known fact. The kangaroos, that's why them tail looks so them balance on them tail.
Easy enough.
Oh, you know you're talking about no?
Yeah.
Right, but no!
Hey, tell her
Look it up. Hey, ma look it up. See ma do it there? Oh! It was on his tail. Look it up now. Look it up. Fat though. Look like a big rat. They should call them kangaroo rats. Yeah, they look like a big rat. Though.
And it looks like she's right, people. Look like they can stand on their tail.
Yes.
It's used as an extra leg.
Yeah, but when they go kick you, them tail, them stand up on them tail. And visit the most I promise. Crocodile. It's an American crocodile.
Oh, crocodiles. It's a baby.
Oh, I can't see him. See him tail? Glass kind of dirty. Ball. Python. See them? Ball python. More than one of them is one morning. The next one now, this one.
Hey!
Yeah? Minute. Minute mo ako muna eh. But terrified of snake. I am terrified
Yeah, don't come on a second.
of snakes. Here, Junior, if you want me, I'm afraid that they be able to see.
Don't come on a second, boy. I'm not trouble. Don't close your eyes.
See the people want to look here. Wait, wait, wait. Mama! Guys, when I look at this, oh.
You want to put your own in it?
Junior, put what you there? Yo, right now I'm myself in there, so I told you that people are on the phone and shake right now, sure. Junior, take the phone, take it.
People.
Look at this. It can pull.
Can't look cold, you know?
Show them.
I don't know if they can see it that well. Yeah. There you go.
Me. It might move. See the guys? You smell my fear.
You smell that fear?
Yeah.
What, $100?
Been on the fear again. You see?
Yo, we'll move up by. Rather worse than the behind the glass. Hey, me and them good. Guys, we actually have an experience with snake before. Because when years ago when we did go, we call it dolphin cove. We take a picture one time with a snake around my neck, but I know. But to be honest, I don't know where that picture is. That was so long ago though. That was very long. And not like now when dolphins go some more developed, when they have a sort of attraction over there. When we go to dolphin go, it was the only attraction was to take pictures with them like a reptile, and to swim with the dolphin. You never swim with the dolphin, I don't trust them something very cheap. No, sir, I'm not so white.
I need one to do that because
No one else will be here.
oh, Jamaican boa, little snake.
one are pretty in color, nice. Color are pretty, eh? Emerald tree boa.
You know, you see this if it's not tree, I can't see me. A tree with green leaves and stuff on it, I can't see.
You know what I mean? Well,
Camouflage.
really.
Facts. Deep hollow in the scales around their mouth enable them to detect body heat. Alright, can we leave here? Can we? Just want to leave this area. Okay, guys, so quick.
You know, unlike pythons, which lay eggs, was produce live young. So they don't lay eggs.
So them
Baby snake are born
just
red,
born.
orange, or yellow, and then become green after a year.
Yeah, come on, because I'm afraid of them. Just guys afraid of snake. I don't like snakes at all.
Yo, hey, I'm not just goat now, because I can't find a goat in our yard bread. If the goat in a little pen thing, like I said, when we go down there the other day, the goat took off and run and buck up in a pen like I get him and try to get out of here. So him look like them aggressive.
So, if when you come over here you want to visit the petting zoo,
Yeah, you can.
you can come and pay additional.
Yeah, that really
Fee.
show that down.
Yeah.
The record that down, so.
So one pony, I think that they are called ponies, I'm not really sure. May assume so they are
Miniature
ponies.
horses.
Yeah.
You not coming?
And some long ears go. Hey!
Relax yourself.
Junior, me no want have nothing to do with them, I'm afraid of them. I mean, know them very dangerous. Ram goat. If you rush me, I jump the fence. What you say? The goat them not rush me, they will more run first.
No, trouble no man, because guess what? No woman want to about. They must try to impress.
Guys, and something here very dangerous. As I say, when you hear me can't stop talking about it, them run me down already.
Oh, you sound like you're fully traumatized.
Yes. Most man run left me.
No, remember.
I never my husband at the time. Oh, okay, sorry. In daring?
Lies, you tell.
My fiancé run left me then,
Yes.
because we did engage.
Yes.
Gosh.
Me and her there now. Me and her husband now. Me no run left her. See him pass and gone. And me I tell her, say, calm down, easy. Yeah. You gotta look up. Guys, watch me. What next week, one? Guys, watch what I go on. I'm going to do my research on the animal them. Or them animal. Them consider an animal. Let me know what I go on down in the comments. If I'm an animal them, you know. Somebody was smart than me tell me. But I'm going to do my research. Alright, I'm going to do research good enough.
Adam just said if he
animal
do him research properly, he would know if an animal or
Skip
not.
that part there, the description thing. You do my research, I'll find out how then we run it down. So me have it covered.
Yeah man, as I say, I know them dangerous and them and turkey. Cause I watch Meet the Mitchell and I don't know what they go on with Wayne Marshall, but I know I see Wayne Marshall take food from one of them. Just bring me back to the time. But a proper run down him get me I tell you man. He run down go through half a zoo.
All the people them about out him, nah, they nothing.
The thing I run me down, me I take when?
No check on that.
When I run me down 5 in there, I do me nothing.
Wait more, get you know me?
I don't like him that be like, hi, him that run me down. Proper run down. Yes guys, so if you want to come and visit the zoo, you can come and visit and you can stay tuned. Members, Mr. Like, comment, subscribe and share the video them. And then you can stay tuned to see the full review. We can go on a breakdown basically on what we liked, what we never like and stuff like that, what we think could have been better or so. But you know, not bad reviews, just a little talk about the zoo. See it, so and I can stay tuned for them video there as well. And as we can see, the zoo still in a development stage because a whole heap of work. If you can look, you can see I don't know if you can see behind me. The tractor and thing them over that side there. Some other stuff they over the other side and over which I'm showing the little pond and thing them have. Look like them have some little things are going over this as well. I don't know what them are gonna do as me say it look like because it's a pond. It look as if them are gonna have ducks in the pond and maybe can go and feed ducks them and stuff like that. So I'm not really 100% sure how I go on this so I see it yet. But find a little silver in here, I will keep it. Find a feather. Is it there? I make a Leo.
Them pretty chicken, they're pretty.
Them fluffy, though.
A Christmas chicken.
I wonder if I make KFC as well. Make the chicken them what them have over there so dear. Most them have a sell because I can't regular chicken them have over KFC as well there so.
No, Mr. KFC. We need to do better. You know, deal with the audio hard, brother.
No, tell them man. That time on the race KFC chicken but.
The race again this year?
Mm-hmm.
You mean?
Oh. I'm going to try to what's up off my mouth and catch me. Catch me.
Yo, brother, me look around and me see you. And then me pay attention to the turtle. Or the tortoise, that's what it's called, right? I'm trying to get the parrot here. I was looking at the tortoise and I didn't hear you. And I was like, what is St Andrews? Why is she so quiet? That's why I turned back around. I knows you well.
I never do anything not at first. With a record the sign.
Quiet. I think we saw everything that there is to see. Guess what, guys? Guess what? Like Candy that tell.
So what?
She not show me none of my family name.
Me just show you them.
What in there?
The monkey them me show you, forgot? Me say some more junior family them here.
Is that what you say?
Yes.
What year, yo?
Well, wait, me make him hear back in that video.
Sure, no.
Me say,
A monkey, you call me?
me never say you a monkey.
The family name.
Some of your family them.
Christ. You know, so you're cruel.
Oh, them a duck. Me say for duck. As I say, guys, it's a good look. When you can come, visit the zoo. If you don't have nowhere to go and you don't want to, you know, show your kids them.
And it is a good exercise because we've been over here quite.
Yeah.
The video footage never show really how long we're over.
About over here from about after 1
Yeah, and about.
and after 4 now.
Yeah, a minute, couple minutes before,
Yeah.
like 2 minutes or so before.
Because we actually another way, the other way you go. Another way you come to, so come on.
One way in, one way out.
No?
No.
So,
Wet up, bro.
guys, and my family them here, you know.
Yeah.
Them say when me a picnic, when me a baby, when me young, me used to love talks and they used to call me hard parrot. And you see it, military macaw. Yeah man, so it's a great experience. If you never visit the zoo before, come and get a visit, man.
Yeah, man,
Or if you come over here many years ago, and you say you're not never over here, so you can come back, come visit the zoo. I swear you won't be disappointed. Just watch the video, watch and see and get an idea. Yeah, but nothing to beat the real experience of coming and seeing the animal them, because some of them look so tiny. Panic camera stepping, I don't know what that is, but it's big. It's over there, so Junior, we never go over there, so. See people, the man them will feed something over there.
You know about that feeding?
But see something in one little cage just so me look at the last thing they go look at. I look for the last crocodile man come back. But guys, look here. Can come and have a little playtime with a little. You have a little ones them, I want to go and look and make them go and play. But me I go up on the swing song before I go away. In there?
Oh, real, hey. You want a real big picnic, you know?
So much fun. Guys. Yeah, but you carry the family come and work, guys. I tell you, man.
Wait, the son not going with itself, boy.
It's fun, believe me. It's really fun. Swinging into the 2020 woo like, woo! 2020 woo!
Jesus Christ. Bomba! Although it has said, I think, well, it says up for the snack bar, I hope that's how it says. No outside food allowed, but
I'm carrying a little food. I'm carrying a little food. Guys, watch out them have.
I'm carrying a little thing, you know?
Yeah, something where you can carry like a little board thing, I soon show you, but them have this. You can climb it, one of them can climb it.
You can host party over here, no? But if you have more than 10 guests, you have to call in advance. Hey, remember? No. What do you think name we used to come on TV again? Oh, we used to watch something there, you know, or some things like this.
But them do some challenge. Like them name scare tactics or something like that.
I don't really scare. I don't remember your name, boy. Brown dog.
People have to try to win to do it to get money.
What name? Remember star. Anybody remember what that thing the name? Left it in the comments here, man. Back in the day, they used to come on TV with them do some things like them, yeah. What? You're supposed to climb all the way over. You give up? Join man, you're dropping now. Jesus Christ. How far from? Oh no, we're not that far from you still. We're not that far from University Hospital.
About 5 minutes fun. Supposed to sleep like a baby. Let me reach home. Just jump.
Jump away.
You see that?
No.
I said just jump. And I feel can it move.
Oh.
I'm afraid.
Wait, you don't want your slippers. Wait. Turn around. Check guys. Watch out. Just take up what you can, manage now, you know.
I'm stuck.
Yeah. A shortcut you take again?
Yeah, follow me here.
Can't take shortcut. Watch.
Mission failed. Oh my God. So you know what that name? Me don't think me can do rock climbing.
Guys, I don't know if you know still, but Kian, she said she claustrophobic. See, so we are challenge her. You see me? We don't have to give you some likes for this today. We are challenge her to go through this. So I follow behind her still, just in case she start hyperventilating then. We can hurry up and shoot her out. Alright? So let's go.
I'm afraid.
Come on, let's go quickly. Come on, quickly, back your life, I go.
I'm afraid.
You're afraid, just bend your back. And go on.
So long.
Go on, man. Go on, brother. Are you have to go down on all fours?
No.
You think it that tall?
Because I'm stuck.
Go on, let me see. Cause maybe you have to go down on all fours.
Not there.
No, I mean like for walking. Like.
I'm going there.
Kian, come on, man. We are rude for you. K, go. Go, K, go. Come on, man, me follow back at you. Come on, man. Don't pay no mind. Come on, let's go. Come on, man. I'll ride through the whole here, brother. Conquer your fears. Go on. Conquer your fears, boy. Go on, brother.
I'm trying.
Go on, brother. Go on, me and follow back on your right, back on you. You want to go back to it again?
You're mad.
Hmm?
No, man.
Let me see.
Never again.
You just do something now, you conquer your fears.
Ooh.
Congratulations.
Guys, I'm
You hear that? Congratulations.
my lip feel dry.
Congratulations. You did it.
Yes.
So I'll dinosaur, man. I tell you, say.
Little foot. You see what, little foot?
Look how can I sweat, brother. Shut.
So you would never believe.
Yo.
They asked me to go to Sunday already.
Oh shit. Can you never record? Go on back to it now.
No. No.
Oh god.
You never record, tell them about it.
Oh god. People can this is she want to go up with so but that of your next time. She tired you know.
No. Me never go there. But I go halfway and stop.
Why?
Me not go so far, too high.
But how come you going to upstairs building?
Huh? Me no go so high in a building.
Oh you know that.
Come here, tell you me no climb the building go so far. Me can't go so far. When me go so far, I go there. Look down and see everything look like an ant. Guys, I don't know what happened. The one phone when me expect if it have my back, me do some footage, take some footage on it, and a while ago me look back on them, each and every one of the file them corrupt. A good thing me decide to me I work with two phones. So me I use this one me I use now, a record. That phone always like a problem, like something wrong with the motherboard. So me have a next phone. Me go to when me use for record the video, all I file them corrupt. So me go now the outro me do a while ago was so nice. Wish about we did the outro was so good and it no record.
Yeah, but I one of them things that still, you know.
The whole I file get corrupted.
Yeah,
but guys,
so
sorry about that.
Yeah, so this me record the thing upon the one where you go through the wall. Yeah, this.
Yeah. So we have the intro but no outro. So we have to go do over our outro. The area not as nice as where we were before. I don't know what happened. But guys, as me that say, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy spending time with us today as we did with you. And remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. If you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you want a long time service them, just remember guys to continue comment and like the video, right? So sorry about that. So we're going home now, as we say, we turn 10 to a turbo. So we're just end the video here. So as we always say guys, stay safe.